sure a cold day today. So what I'm going to make for you today is a nice winter warmer. The best winter warmer I can think of is a soup. My favourite soup is pan ham soup. What we're going to do for this slow cooked pan ham soup is 1 ham hock, 8 cups of chicken stock, 1 large brown onion, 500 grams of split green peas, 2 celery stalks, 4 medium carrots, 3 cloves of garlic and 2 bay leaves. Now if you're a vegetarian or you just don't like ham, you can leave this out if you like. I'm just going to strain these split peas off, just let the water run through them for about a minute. Just until the water runs clear at the bottom. Make sure it's cold water, don't use hot. When we put the ingredients in the slow cooker, we've got to put them in what takes the longest to cook to the slowest to cook. So first thing we're going to do is put in the split peas. Followed by the ham hock. Followed by the carrots. Celery. The onion. The garlic. The bay leaves. Followed by 8 cups of chicken stock. It's about 2 litres. Now, you don't have to use chicken stock, but you can just use normal water. But I prefer the chicken stock, it seems to give a bit of extra flavour. Now I'm going to cook this on high for about 6 hours because of the size of the ham. But if you've got small ham in there, you can do between 4 to 6 hours is usually a good time. We can cook it on low for 8 to 10 hours. I definitely keep coming back after 4 hours just to give it a check every now and again. Once the ham starts falling off the bone, it's ready. While that's in the slow cooker cooking away, I just wanted to remind you about my Facebook, Twitter and Discord account. I'll link them down below. Why don't you come and check them out? Okay, it's been just over 6 hours. Yeah, that smells nice. Oh, that ham is done. So we're just going to remove this from the pot here. Now it's falling apart. Just going to put this aside. Okay, I've also just removed the bay leaves. Now this part's totally optional. We can leave it with all the chunks in there if you like. I'm just going to blend it up. Done. Now we're just going to pull this ham apart and put it into the soup. Alright, now I'm just going to pull this meat apart. I want to try to get rid of all the fat. Don't want to put the fat back into it. Look how easy that's coming apart. Okay, I've just pulled apart this ham. I'm just going to add it back into the soup. mix it in here. This smells lovely. Hope it really does. And I'm just going to serve some of this up. And crack some black pepper onto this. Let's give this a taste. Oh, yum. That's nice. Well guys, that's sure done its job. It sure warmed me up. And the good thing is if you've got any leftovers, you can just put it in the freezer. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Please give the video a like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.